it beats pretty good for the.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So that's the sealed box right here underneath? Sweet. How is it? Is it right here too, or just right here?
It goes all the way over.
All the way over, okay. Is this part of the box, or is this separate?
It's separate. It just goes straight over, down, the whole bottom.
Okay. That's unique. And you still got your back stunt wall. Are you able to actually overlay this into the vehicle still and hear it with this shot, or is it a little messy?
It reflects a little bit.
Okay. Is this yours or his?
It's his.
Okay, awesome. I'm gonna get in and get some info with you if that's all right. Looks really good. I'd love to hear it too. Wow. So what is your name, man, and what's in here?
My name's Andrew, and it's a single DC Audio XO Elite 18. Supposed to be on 2Ks, but one of them's broke, and then the other one is clipping when you open it up to gain a little bit, which isn't surprising because those amps have been through a lot. They've been with us a good couple years.
Okay.
All the wall stuff is just on these Rockville amps.
Yes, sir.
And then it beats pretty good, but it's only taking in about 1,200 watts, and it's a 2,200 watt RMS sub. So
what is your impedance ohm on the amplifier? Just the one versus the two?
I guess, yeah, it's just the one. We only have it hooked up to one amp because we can't strap them together.
Yes, sir. Did you have it at 1 ohm or half ohm before, or now, or do you know?
I think it's down to dual.
Okay.
Either dual 2 or dual 1. I can't remember though.
That's all good, man. Awesome. All right, yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Looks really cool. I was checking out the back box. You can see the 4th order enclosure.
Yeah, I like 4th order.
Do you know the tuning or the sealed section size, supported, or ratio, anything?
I don't remember the size because I designed it in the back of math class, and we had to tweak it for it to work.
Yeah.
But then actually building it was a different story.
Yeah.
I know the ported side's tuned to 45, and I think it's 1.5 cubes on the sealed side, and then somewhere around 3.2 on the ported side.
All right.
It looks small though.
Are you happy with it? Besides the amplifier being down for
it beats pretty good for the fact that it's not even taking RMS.
Yeah.
But I see you on YouTube. I didn't expect you to just pop up.
Yeah, I do a lot of YouTube videos. Yeah, been doing it for a while.
Back in math class, same place. Just
awesome.
JacobViral.
Oh, you've seen some of my videos. Okay, nice to meet you, man. Well, you're going to be on one soon then. Awesome.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Trying to find a decent one.
There's something that is around your peak or something you know that hits pretty good. So.
Yeah, somewhere. It likes 40 really good, which is ironic because it's tuned to 40. But
with the windows up or down's louder?
Windows down.
Okay.
Well, I haven't noticed a difference, but I haven't played with it enough.
Yeah.
Let's do it spin.
Lower?
I haven't really messed with anything float-wise.
It's all good.
I didn't expect anything really big.
Yeah. That's pretty good, man. Awesome, man. It's a single sub, so yeah, and you can hear all the lyrics too. Yeah, it's a little loud if you have one window to let it breathe a little bit. Yeah. Good.
shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stone road, I'm gonna take you to a special place
really screaming.
I haven't tried anything.
Yeah, man.
I need to get another amp, but I'm hoping that as we get more power to it, maybe those lows will come out a little bit. And
Yeah.
those highs will be
Appreciate the demo, man. Your name?
Nice to meet you. Andrew.
Andrew. Thank you for watching, Andrew. Nice to meet you again, man. Appreciate you showing me, man. Yes, sir. You too.